We're using emails as our main method of data entry. Every teacher has their unique login. So we can come in here, the quick lists work fantastic, but we'd like to refine that a bit more. Let's have a look at some data entry. So with the unique logons, obviously, this is a big thing for us. The search filter is great. Just my classes are here, so I can go in to get that. That's okay. Brings up the class. I can see them all here. Click on the first one and start editing. Would be good here if this cell had the focus. Even though I don't need it, I could then tab down to the cell I want. Data entry is no problem. I can just type in the data that I want. I know what goes in here. It's excellent, 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 excellent. It'd be nice, instead of pressing the save button, instead of taking me back to this screen, it automatically took me to the next student, once again, with the focus already on the first entry box. Even though I don't need to enter any data in this one because they don't do an exam in this stage, I could easily then tab down and enter what I want. Now this one here is fairly simple, it's A, B, C, D, so we're kind of intuitive what's in there. But this one's not quite so simple because we have a rating of excellent, but the rest of the ratings are numbered, 1 to 5 and not applicable. So it'd be nice if some sort of where there would be data that said what the entries were without using the drop downs. Now, when we finish that, ideally we need to be able to form heads of learning, deans, that this has been done. So we have to come into this data entry. That'd be fantastic if that one defaulted to the current one. I need to put in the code as shown on my maze timetable. And see there's multiple codes. It can be very confusing sometimes. So you need to drop certain digits. And if you go to search near, that can be a bit of a nightmare. Once again, class, you've got to know that you've got to put 02, that must be a 2-digit number. The same here, that must be 08. Click there, click here, download it, then open it. That's fine. That's all you need just to prove that you've done it, or in case it's a little problem. There is this export function, but nobody knows what they mean. I mean, obviously, some of them are self-explanatory, but even if you wanted to export it, generate the data, we seem to have a problem at the moment. Now, whether this is a problem with our implementation or some sort of problem in general, we don't know.